If you want to download and install the Google Drive app on your laptop, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's simple, it's free, and it only takes a few minutes to get set up so you can start syncing files between your laptop and the Google Drive. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and you can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you already have on your laptop. Once the browser is open, go to the official Google Drive download page by typing in google.com/drive/download. Make sure you're on the official Google website so you know you're downloading the correct and safe version of the app. After the page loads, look for the section that says Drive for Desktop. This is the version of Google Drive that installs on your laptop and lets you access, sync, and manage your files right from your computer. Under that section, click the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file automatically. Now just wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the file is done downloading, open it from your downloads bar or from your downloads folder. The file should be named Google Drive setup.exe on Windows or a similar installer file depending on your device. When the installer opens, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, click Yes or Allow so the installation can continue. Next, click Install and let Google Drive set itself up on your laptop. This part may take a minute while the program copies the required files and finishes the setup process. Once the installation is complete, you'll usually see an option to sign in. Click Sign In with Browser or log in using the method shown on your screen. This will open your browser so you can connect your Google account securely. Sign in with the Google account you want to use with Drive and then follow any permission prompts to finish linking the app. After that, Google Drive will start running on your laptop and you'll be able to access your Drive files directly from your desktop or File Explorer. You can choose which folders to sync, upload files more easily, and keep your documents backed up in the cloud. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Google Drive app on your laptop. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.